Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and from past few videos I have been working on developing an online budget system using PHP and MySQL database. In my last video I completed the functionality of adding employees to various departments, and now I want to display those employees on the admin's dashboard whenever admin click on view employees, exactly similar to this. This is my already done application, so exactly similar to this I'm going to create in this video. So before coming to the discussion of developing this feature, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And now let us move to our project, which is this one, to start developing the feature of displaying various employees here on the admin's dashboard. So to do that we have to go to our editor, and we had created one file which is view employees PHP file. So now here I am on my view employees file, and I have created a 9 columns div. Now I have written an SQL query. So now in this SQL query I am using users table and department table, because in this feature I am trying to display the user's name, department name to which that user belongs to, and the image of that employee. Since the information from different tables I'm trying to combine in a single query, that's why I'm joining users table with the department table with the common field present in both of these tables, which is department ID. And I want only those employees who has the user role ID 3, which means I want only the normal employees. Now I will execute this query, and if that query successfully gets executed and if I have employees present in my table, then it will return few rows. Then I will be iterating over those rows using the while loop, and I will display the information in the form of a card. And to display that card I have created a 3 column div, and I have created a UL unordered list with the class of department list, and a list with anchor tag, and inside that I have created one more div with a class of department. If the employee didn't uploaded their profile image, then I will be displaying only the default image. If the user had uploaded their profile image, then in that case I have to display that profile image on the card. So for doing that I am using an if condition here. So now this fetch row of image equals to null means it will return me null value if a user didn't uploaded their profile image. In that case I will display the default image, which I have kept under the image folder of assets folder with the name as avatar.jpg. In else case, he or she might have uploaded their profile image. In that case I will fetch that image and I will display it on the card. Apart from this information, I also want to display the username of that employee, and I also want to display the department name of the employee as well. If there are no normal employees present inside the MySQL table, that means admin has not added any employee in any of the departments. In that case I need to display this message as no employees added to the department yet. So now let's save it, and here I have used few classes like department list class and department class. Related to these classes I have written down CSS here. You can see the CSS of department, and p tag which comes under the department. Okay, here you can see we have a p tag. I have given it a few styling, and then image tag which also comes under the department class, which is this one, and I have given some styling to that as well, and list which comes under department list class, here this one. Okay, and I have given few styling that as well. Okay, so you need to also write this CSS code also in your style CSS file. So now let's save it and refresh the page. Okay, so this is our admin's dashboard, and if I want to view all the employees which I have just added in our last video, now I just need to click on this view employees. Now you can see all the employees which I had just added in my last video, the names of those employees and the department of those employees also started displaying on the admin's dashboard. Now the only thing which has been left for me to do is allow the employees, both department head and the normal employees, to update their profile. So for both of these employees, whether it is a department head or a normal employee, to update their profile, they need to get logged in into their personal dashboards. From there they can easily make the changes into their profile. They can change the name, they can change the email id, and they can change the profile image as well. So this thing I'm going to cover in my next video. I hope you guys understood how to develop this feature, and that's all for this video guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.